Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve the problem number 2 in the blind 75 series. The problem number 2 is contains duplicates. So what is the contain duplicates is if we have given any integer array, we need to return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, or else false if every element is distinct. If you are having a 1 2 3 1 in an array, so we are having a duplicate numbers, there is a 1, so we need to return true. If you are having 1 2 3 4, these are all distant, so we'll be returning as a false. So this is a easy question in the lead code, and it will be asked just to check your looping concepts and how you hash the value and how you access the values from the object. Is a simple problem, especially it will ask for the freshers. So to solve this problem, we can go with the two methods. The first method is if the interviewer asks you to use any of the inbuilt methods, so you can use a sorting method and then you can achieve this problem. If the interviewer asks not to use any inbuilt methods, you can use objects, and then also you can achieve this problem. First we will go with the inbuilt methods. So I've written a function called contain duplicates, and I'm expecting an array of arguments here. So here what I will try to do is I will just sort my array dot sort a comma b, a minus b. So the my array got sorted, and now I will loop my array I less than array dot length minus 1. So I plus plus. So now because I have sorted my array, because I sorted my array, now this 1 3 3 3 it's already sorted, so I will take 1 1 3 1 2 3 1. So now it will come as 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now what I can do is I can compare I can compare with the next element here, array of I plus 1. So it should be I not 1. So I will compare. If both are same, I'll pass true, else I'll come out of my for loop. I'll come out of my for loop and I will pass false. I will pass false. So I'll just test it quickly. So okay, on reload we are getting this true. So if I try to pass all distinct elements, I will get as false. I'll get as false. This is one method, and one more method where we can solve our problem is by using uh, cache or objects. We'll cache the element, and we'll check second time whether this element existing or not. If it is existing, we will be passing true, else we'll pass false. So this is with the inbuilt sorting method. So I'm creating one more function, contain duplicates with cache array. So now I will be taking one object, an empty object here, and I'm looping it one. Let I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. So what I'll do is every time I loop my array, I will check whether this element is exist in my object or not. If it is exist, then I will return the true, else I will add that element in my object. So first I will be checking if object has num of I or not. So this num of I will return me a 1, and in that object of 1, where if I have that variable, it will return me that value, else it will return me an undefined. So here in this case, the first time I'll be getting undefined only. So what I will like if undefined only, it will go to the else part. If it already existing, what we will do is I will return true. But for the first time it will get undefined, so it will come to the else part. It will come to the else part, and now what I will do is object of num of 1, sorry, I equal to true. I'll just give some value that is a true. So now I have given this true, and now what it does is it will check every time. It will check every time. So for the first time it is 1, it will give an undefined, it will come to the else part. So this one like 1 equal to true. Now the object has been created. Object has been created with 1 as true, and next time 2 as true, and the third time 3 as true, and the fourth time it will be a 4 as true. So all the elements are completed, so it will come out and it will return false. It will return false. Else if we give any repeat duplicate numbers here, what it does is the first time it will create 1 as true here, the second time it will create 2 as true here, and the third time again it will come, it will again see 3, there is no 3, so it will again create 3, and for the fourth time, so now what it does is what it does is it will come here 1, we are having 1 as true, so this condition will get succeeded, it will go inside and it will return true. We will check whether our code works or not. So so what I'll do is I'll just see, okay, num is not a number. I'll go back, okay, sorry, here I'll go back. Here we need to add a array of I, my bad. Okay, now I'll go back. Now it is returning as true. Why? Because we are having duplicate. If I have 4, it should return a false. Okay, so these are the two methods where we can solve this problem by using sort inbuilt. Else we can use a caching, and we can iterate it, and we can store the data here. Yeah, that's it from my end. Thanks for watching. Have a happy learning.